Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback dually mud flaps and no-drill brackets on a 2018 GMC Denali dually. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. As the dually flaps are heavier, we recommend using the bracket when installing. Let's get started. Notice on the inner wheel tub how it bows outward. The provided bracket will match the bow of the tub to allow it and the mud flap to sit nice and tight to the inner wheel well. Another way to verify the bracket is on the correct side is that the dimpling around the screw holes should face outward, as shown. For the GMC Denali, there are two choices of flap that fit the bracketing, the 19x24 and the 21x24. The 19x24 is a lighter but still durable flap. However, the 21x24 provides extra coverage and a heavy reinforced back for even greater durability. Now, install the bracket to the flap. On the flap, you will notice two sets of holes along the top of the flap. Either set will work. The top set will make the flap sit lower, and the lower set will make the flap sit higher. Align the top of the bracket to a set of holes on the top of the flap, and while holding the bracket in place, use a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out the 7 dimpled holes. Next, install a T-nut into each drilled hole and secure it with a stainless screw. Then drill out the remaining 2 slots as shown. Now it's time to install the mud flap. Locate the factory bolt on the far inside of the wheel well and just back it out. Do not remove it completely. Then remove the 2 inner factory screws. Slide the bracket hook in behind the loosened factory bolt and loosely install the flap using 2 stainless cap screws and 2 stainless washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Now carefully tighten all screws and double check to make sure the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps with no-drill brackets. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.